Uno got the streets going crazy. Uno got the streets going crazy.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. It's one of the first meets we're gonna throw. We got the homies pulling up. We got this sick ass fucking Impala right here with the 4Gs. The homie Eric, look, the other homie right here got the Cadillac. Got the fucking Super Sport. Hey, what's cracking, perro? Huh? Park it right there, just right there. The homie on the Charger. A ver, turn it on, way. You got the camera, way. Yeah. Se puro shot. Oh, shit. Damn. Another big ass pipe. Ese güey. What's up, Peanut? What's up? What's up to the vlog, homie? Look, how you repping? Street ENT.
All day.
All day, right here. Posted, waiting on the other homies to pull up. So I'll see you guys right now, as soon as everybody's here. Alright, guys, we just had some more players pull up right now. Look, we got the homie Twinkie right here, posted. From Bakersfield, Bakersfield. Got the other homie Ever just pulled up. We got the fucking GMC Yukon. We got the Lightning. We got the homie right here. Yee! Alright guys, before it gets late, because we got to be the first ones out there. Alright guys, so we're about to head out right now. We're gone. What's up, Lacra? Go! What's up with that nigga, fool? Where's your whip at? I'll catch you guys over there, for sure. Or on the road, later. Guys, let's go before these motherfuckers leave me. I'll see you guys over there though, for sure. Alright guys, so the main fucking place we're gonna have the truck meet, Valio Verga, they saw us rolling deep, they saw our front lights, they were like, nah, y'all truck meet. Off the top, the fucking lady took a picture of my truck. You seen when that bitch snapped a picture of our shits? Yeah. That nigga took a picture of it. So, fuck it. I guess we came to this new spot right here down the block. Truck's already pulling up. Post it right here, look. Hey, Chato. On Street ENT, post that. Tell them to come to the parking lot. We out here live. Hey, wait. Valeo verga, wait. Huh? They didn't want to let us in over there, wait.
Yeah, you did.
Eh? Well, we're gonna have to chill right here, wait. Nah, nigga, they took a picture of our trucks. They talking about if you come in, you have more than 5 trucks, we're gonna cite you guys.
Oh shit.
I'm like, ah. Valeo verga.
Yeah. You just got paid parking, you know?
Huh?
Hey, it's free. You gotta pay shit.
Who said it's free? It is free.
Nigga, why the fuck? I said, hey, what happened?
Damn, dog. Let me get back to you guys though. We got cars coming in already. Well, cars, nigga. I'm tripping. Trucks. Everybody out here live. Got the homie out here repping. Hey, Rick Ross. Everybody posted. So everybody's starting to pull up. We got the whole Street ENT banner right there, right there. For yours? For the over there, the chaga?
They got the flag too, not like that.
You go, perro. That's the one.
That's the one right there.
You don't like your cowhood or what? Nah?
I like this, man. You don't think so?
I don't know.
What
Look,
you
I like
think,
the
Peter?
cowhood better, fool. The one it had. Okay.
Something about this se le mira más. ¿Tú qué crees? ¿La que tenía o esta?
Let's go. I don't know.
What you think?
I like the other one, fool. The cowhood, fool. Better than this one. ¿Verdad? Neta.
Sí, güey. Le da como un look diferente.
It's still hard, you know, don't get me wrong, pero I like the cowhood.
Ese güey como que se mira como más. Le da un
Yeah,
¿no? Pues esa más cuadrada.
Let's say what's up to the homie real quick. Cracking. Nigga, as soon as I pulled up, they fucking was cracking up, David. As soon as we pulled up, the motherfuckers took a picture of my truck. They're like, if you have a truck, man, we're gonna cite you and we're gonna take you.
Yeah, we pulled up.
Nigga, straight up, I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, they were like, como you guys are 5 trucks, you guys can't be here, you guys have to go over there. But they were like, oh, we said county, we're gonna send the sheriff over there too, so either way, you guys.
Where?
Over here. So that's what's there. That's a chapa.
I doubt it, nigga.
So go around.
They just don't want us to be over there fucking
No,
doing bullshit.
Because last time they burned out.
We right here with the homie posted.
Shit, chilling.
Chilling. Fucking, we got hella trucks already. Well, that fool sees film, nigga. Right here. This nigga. What's cracking with? I like it, might not pull up.
I was just waiting for a while.
Hey, I swear to God, every fucking body that we waited on in the morning, we were calling them. Yeah, washing my truck. I'm like, these, like, should have washed it last night. Chaca está, güey. Hard. You got, nigga, I thought that shit was gonna stay for when you popped your tire and that shit left the whole shit. Because when it stays on my paint, it's hard to take it off, way.
I tried doing it myself.
Yeah, way.
I tried doing it with the pressure washer.
How did he take it off?
Hey, is this a wrap or is paint?
Está. There's the homie with the SS with the 20 front end right here.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
bro? That's right. ¿Qué onda, Peanut? Sí. Hey, what's up, nigga? Let that motherfucker